We're trying to get into the Zócalo and we're met with a wall of security and police. It feels less like a public square and more like a corporate fortress. Nobody's getting in. People are dancing, having fun now. In the rain. They're really dispersing now. The rain has picked up pretty good here, but there's still a pretty good crowd over there. Everyone's hovering underneath the awnings here. Okay, it filled back up down here now. Everybody's there with umbrellas and raincoats now. Hey! Beers flying everywhere. Gracias. Wow, look at that. Okay, I got some delicious tacos. And you got a salad. And what did you say Chuck has? Enchiladas. Enchiladas with a lot of cream. That's okay, let's watch Chuck eat. How is it?
That's gonna make a mess.
Yeah, it looks messy. All right. Ooh. Oh, that looks really good too though. Wow.
Actually, I think I can just eat it with my hands.
Oh, those look really good. Yeah, yours looks the best. Jennifer's is just a boring salad. Chuck's got a lot of cream. I got tacos, like a beef taco. So how was that? That was good?
What is that?
Habanero. Chili. Oh yeah, that's a spicy meatball. Very spicy. Oh ho ho! She's a hot tamale. Oh ho! All right, provecho, dig in. Thanks for hopping on, guys. Let's go. Vamonos. So here you go. You got the signs of the aftermath. Actually, I'm gonna walk down towards the Zócalo. Everyone's leaving the Zócalo. I'm gonna go back to the Zócalo.
Sure.
Let's go see the aftermath. Everyone's leaving the Zócalo. We'll go down to the Zócalo now that we're allowed to go down here, and let's see the aftermath of what it looks like down here. It's nice out tonight. Actually, it's actually really. No, it's beautiful. No, yeah, it's really nice. I'm not, well, it's not raining, right? So, it's nice. Oh, sorry, babe. We weren't allowed down here before, so it was just too busy. There was too many people down here, so let's go have a look. The party's over. Yeah, this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience to come down here. Viva Mexico! Yeah, this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience to come down here after this, right? You know, we're never going to get another chance. I mean, this is it, right? So let's go check it out. I don't think we'll ever be here again during the World Series soccer match.
Chuck was up a lot earlier than normal as well.
Oh yeah, Chuck's not a morning person. Oh, look at they got it all lit up down here, right? Look at this little guy. He's out here working. Oh wow, look at this. Yeah. So they've got this all closed off here.
No hay regresos, hay que salir, por favor.
No?
No.
Oh, okay. I was gonna go down there. Go around this way. I wanted to get in over there. All right, let's go see if we can find another access here where there's not so much police presence. Maybe there's another point that we can get in. Vámonos, let's go. Hey, you wouldn't let those girls through either.
It must still be full.
Hey?
It must still be full.
Yeah, I don't
There's a
know.
lot of people.
They've got this all blocked off, all down here, and this whole area here, right? Yeah, they don't want people going in, I think, because there's still a lot of people inside there, right? Let's go around. Yeah, so the party zone was behind here, and they were not letting anybody over there. So here's the cathedral right here. We'll walk around the block here and check it out, guys. Come for a stroll with two gringos on the Gulf. The gato. Oh, here's the street food. Well, sometimes the roadblocks lead you exactly where you're supposed to be. They closed the plaza, but the streets gave us an adventure we won't forget. She's party time. Oh, you want to walk down here a little bit? Oh, yeah, they're all coming out of here. Okay, so yeah, here's the entrance here to the party central, but they're not letting anybody go in there. I don't think anyway, but look at this down here. Yeah, I don't think we can go in there. Doesn't look like it anyway. We'll go down here. All right, guys, on a more serious note, there was people that actually lost their lives due to the massive crowds in the downtown area. Now, during the Mexico versus Ecuador game, there was a massive surge of 1.4 million people that flooded into the streets across the capital, overwhelming several areas near the city center, which had caused 4 fatalities. So we'll say a quick prayer for those people that lost their lives in these events. Wow, looks like the action was over here, boy. Holy. Wow. But here's the thing about this city, you can't lock down its spirit. We ditched the security gates and turned a corner and stumbled right into the real party. No sponsors, no badges, just pure, authentic Mexico City energy. Vámonos.
Guadalupe, el agua.
Las personas que se encuentran en la Plaza de la Constitución, favor de desalojar de manera ordenada por los accesos de 5 de febrero y 16 de septiembre, así como por Viva Suárez. Sigan las indicaciones del personal de apoyo. Gracias por su colaboración.
Tamales oaxaqueños, tamales calientitos. Traemos de salsa roja, verde, mole y dulce. Y también traemos pasteles calientitos.
What an absolute rush that was, my friend. I hope you guys enjoyed this epic vlog here on the streets of Mexico City with the hyped up crowd and all the food vendors and all the police and the security. It was a lot of excitement tonight, I'll tell you that, my friend. But thank God none of our crowd was hurt at all. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. Thank you so much for joining us. And remember, as always, be kind to one another. Adios, hasta luego. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Viva Mexico! We're gonna go down this way anyway.